My name is Japniko. In this video, we are going to make a game, a fruit catcher game in Scratch. So we will make this game. Let me show you how it will work.
Boing, 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 boing,
Works
boing,
like this,
boing,
and we are
boing,
going to make
boing,
it.
boing, 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 boing,
Okay,
boing, boing.
so let us begin by coding. Okay, so for that we need some fruits, an apple. We don't need a cat. An apple, some bananas. The food also we can get in food category. The strawberry. Mm, we can take one more orange. Done. Now we need a background too. Mm, I'm taking background wall too. You can take any one background you like. I'm taking wall too. Okay. Now we are going to change the size. Strawberry is very big. Let me give it a 60. It's okay now. Let me banana is also big. Let me give it 80. Okay, and orange is too small. 110 or 110 is okay for that. And apple is going to be 80. Okay, so our fruits are done, and we need one more thing for catching them. We need a bowl. We can get it in food also, a bowl. It is very small. 120 is okay. Now it's pretty good. Now we're going to start the code. First of all, for an apple. Okay, go in the events, take this when flag clicked. What should it do? It should go to the random position. Okay, it should go randomized in Y, in a vertical position. So for that, we are going to take set Y to 180. 180. Okay, done. And in this, we are going to take a forever loop. And in forever, what we want that change Y by -3. It means it will fall down, it will go vertically, like an apple will first of all go there and it will come again on the upside. Okay, and now we're taking a if condition. Place it in the forever loop after change by and take the operators and take this operator, and in this, if our y position is lesser than -170, is lesser than -170, what it should do? Yeah, we're going to write go to random position again. Okay, set y to 180 again, set y to 180. Okay, then we are going to take a repeat block. A repeat block. In the control, we can get a repeat block. Wait a second, let me find it. Repeat. Okay, place it in the forever loop only, and we want that it should move 10 steps. Okay, uh, one side is completed. Now for the second time, we need a flag. One flag flagged. For scores, let me give a name to it. Rename that is score. Okay, set score to 0, and we are going to take a forever loop. Place it in the script area. and take a if condition also, and we are going to take a sensing block in this. Touching mouse pointer, it is touching a bowl. Okay, it means whenever a fruit will touch a bowl, what it should do. Let me give a sound also. Start sound. We can get it also, or we can even record here. I'm just taking it. We need your permission. Okay, we can even choose here also. Effects, loops. I'm taking a effects. I'm taking Boeing. This one. Okay, and then go to the code. Select here Boeing. After that, we are again taking go to random position in the if condition only. Take a set y block, set y to 180 position, and we want whenever a fruit will touch a bowl, we should score 1 point. So we will here take the change score by 1. Okay, so our apple is done. We can even copy Control C, take the bananas and paste it here. In the strawberry also it is going to be the same. In each and every fruit is there is going to be a same code. Let me copy this one code. And wait a second. So as we have copied the same code for these 4 fruits, we can even place them anywhere like this. Okay, and now it's time for bowl. For bowl, we are taking an even block. When flag clicked, we should we will take a control forever block and taking a if condition. If take the sensing block, key space pressed. When we will press a right arrow, what it should do. Okay, change. We're going to take a change x, because x is a horizontal position. So whenever we will take the right, whenever we will press the right arrow, it should go 10 steps to the right. Okay, and we are going to take the same block, duplicate, but now it's time for the left. And for left we are not placing 10 only, we are going to take minus 10, because it will go whenever like it goes in minus, and whenever I place it here it goes in plus. Okay, so it will move. Now let us test this that it is working fine. Zoom out. Now press the run button. It's working fine, right? It's going good.